So we finally talked to the doctor, got approval, talked to the patient, and we were brought on this after the start of the trial. And it was about 6 minutes into the conversation, our pharmacist talked with the patient, and so he says, well, I gotta leave now, because we call according to patient schedule, not ours. So this patient wanted to be called after work, in the evening. So he goes, I have to go to the vampire club. So the pharmacist, the bells are going off now. Oh my God. Tell me more. 3 magic words. Tell me more. And he did. But what he said was he's part of the vampire clubbing club, and Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights they have their meetings, and for their ceremony, and they dressed up, the black cape, the fangs, and during the ceremony, the opening ceremony, they drank blood. Now, okay, not real blood and not animal blood. What it was, high fructose corn syrup with red dye. Right? Now, this is a type 2 diabetic using insulin and not adjusting his insulin therapy for a new biotech insulin delivery device. So, naturally, it shoots up in the morning. So he wasn't going to stop the ceremony because he was a committed vampire member. I can't make this stuff up. But what we did do is the option was water, a little cornstarch, and again, we're pharmacists, so pharmaceutical compounding, so a little cornstarch for viscosity, Splenda for a little sweetness, and a little red dye number 5 from the baking aisle. And he went on Love Life, and his sugars came down in the morning, and everybody was happy. Now, this was going on beforehand, but he really wasn't testing his sugars very often. He got enrolled in the trial, so he was testing his sugars, and it was observed. But it was something that was happening for about a week or 10 days, and he wasn't really explaining what was going on to the doctor's office. The doctor's office may have asked, may not have asked the open-ended questions to get him to volunteer this information, but it was happening, it was affecting the data, right? But now, at least we have him, because it's a lifestyle choice for him, right? He finishes out the clinical trial. The clinical trial actually happens to be successful and provides information for the FDA registry for the review and approval.